I built a copypasta bot. It generates random copypastas and spams them on Reddit for people to enjoy. You may be wondering, what is a copypasta? I think the best way to explain it is to read the Urban Dictionary definition. It's a copy and pasted block of text, usually posted on a message board to troll newer users as an inside joke between older users. That's too long, we're just gonna skip over that. So, what did I do to make this copypasta bot? The answer is, I took a ton of copypastas, put them into a text file, and trained a machine learning model on them. Because machine learning is very intense on your computer parts, I'm pretty sure I've shortened the lifetime of my computer quite significantly by making this project. Please subscribe, it'll make up for it, I promise. So the model just generates text, and then I have built another script around that which posts it to Reddit with a random caption that I've pre-assigned. I put some in there that might be funny that copypasta users might upvote. Let's take a look at some of the copypastas this bot has generated. So the first copypasta is titled "Somebody Once Told Me," and here's the pasta. Someone once told me, Bart, he comes the this. I can't read this. It makes no sense. Here's kind of a funny one. It is also titled "Someone Once Told Me." But then the funny thing is, it's learned emojis by this point. So if we scroll down a little bit to the emojis, there's a few emojis, and then there's a lot of very cold emojis. There's a whole page of ice emojis. They're very cold. This one's interesting because it learned the weird text thing where the ASCII text is all over the place. And then the really interesting part is the comment section. A guy commented on this post saying, "Can we ban this account?" I obviously, the mature person I am, decided to respond with, "No, frowny face. I like pasta." The advantage we have going for us with this machine learning model is that no copypastas really make sense. People upvote anything on this, even if it's clearly randomly generated. Hit like on this video if you like pasta, or copypasta, or anything. I've stopped the copypasta bot now. The world is a safer place. Even though I was the one that designed it and made it a worse place to begin with. Better place now, and you have me to thank for that. Thanks for watching. Have fun. I don't know, go do something, you know?